was standing at my son's bus stop, and the neighbor that lives there, her dog started barking. Big old dog. And she was trying to get him to stop barking, and I was telling her, I said, yeah, this is my son's bus stop. She was like, yeah, I know. She was like, this dog tries to protect his area, especially his grass. I said, I know that's right. I said, especially what's going on around here. Which I was talking about the homeless. And she was like, yeah. And I was like, hey, I don't know how you do it. She was like, with a whole lot of patience. I said, I know that's right. Anyway, so okay, so I ordered 2 of the Cobb salads, but they sent me a text message and email saying that they were low in stock and that this would be the substitute. So I thought they were going to substitute it for 2 of these. Instead, they still had a Cobb, which is cool. I know my younger son would probably want this, so he can have this one and I can have this one. Have a small thing of pineapple. Last time I got a big one, I ended up, I don't know, forgetting about it. So, want some pineapple. Of course, good old ginger. I feel like I am getting sick. Yeah, my throat was acting up again this morning. Let's start last night. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, lemons are a must-have. Like, just like honey is a must-have. Grew up on tea, so yeah. Lemons was always in the house. Honey was always in the house. Tea was always in the house. I'm always getting new teas. I had this one before. Several times. Time to get it again. My nerves is rough. Not that I even noticed anything, but it's nice to look at the name. And I haven't tried this particular tea at all ever. You know, Bigelow teas I have, but lavender chamomile I have never tried at all. I haven't tried lavender, I don't think, in a title of a tea yet. And it says plus probiotics. Interesting. Okay, I'm down with that. Anyway, my son was talking about he wanted some bagels. Yeah, they got this part of the order wrong because I ordered 1 plain and 1 everything, and they decided to send 2 of everything. I'm gonna let it go. because it could be worse. They could have just forgot them altogether and didn't give me a substitute. And so anyway, he wanted bagels and cream cheese, and he said with bacon on it. I have turkey bacon, so he can combine that together, and there you go. And I felt like I just wanted some strawberry cream cheese to go with a plain bagel, but as you can see, I don't have that. I don't know what that's gonna taste like, but anyway. Blueberries. Blueberries is always in my refrigerator. It's like a constant, so because I like to do blueberry oatmeal, and sometimes I'll even do, a few times I've done blueberry cornbread. Yeah. Some chicken, some grits, banged up or whatever. My son's like, he came to me, oh, you know what I want? I don't think I ever tried shrimp and grits. I said, yes, you have. Boy, you just don't remember. And it's always because he just watched something on TikTok. Somebody made some because he likes watching some of the cooking things on TikTok. And yeah, that's probably why he all of a sudden wanted the bagel situation and this situation. So just went in and got some. I've never tried this type of shrimp before. It's a little something. So yeah, that's it for this round. Oh, and of course, water. That's a must. Okay, y'all, I am finally done with the dusty hair and scalp. It's finally gone. I know y'all was like, ain't this predominantly a hair channel and she been dusty and crusty for the last 5 days? Look. Anyway, my hair is washed, so now I need to go ahead and condition. This wash was not part of this vlog, or should I say what I reviewed, because I have a whole, what, 2-3 videos on that shampoo. So if you haven't already, it is available for you, and my thoughts and everything. And I use a conditioner with that too, so that's already in some videos. But y'all, it feels so good to have my scalp clean. This is what I love about wash day. I love a clean scalp. I love the water touching my scalp. I love it, love it, love it. The fact that I know it's gonna be clean, it's gonna be able to breathe again for a hot second, you know, until it starts flaking up or whatever it gets. But so if I do some vlogging past Vlogmas, it's just gonna be here and there. Who knows? It might be like a once a week thing. If I know I could keep up with this stuff for a whole 5 days straight in a row, you know, maybe once a week or whatever. Because the big thing is bringing the views is, whew, y'all. I want to be monetized, okay? Other than, you know, you know, other odd and end things, but I need the entire channel to be monetized. If you just want to play my videos in background while you clean your house, while you're getting your kids together, while you're getting ready for work, whatever, you know, no one said you had to be stuck to your couch or your chair to watch it. You can be moving around. You can still hear me. And that way, you know, if it's something I talk about, because I'm talking about a whole lot of stuff, something I'm talking about, and later on down the road, you don't look crazy in the comments talking about something when I talked about it in the video you supposedly watched. Anyway, just saying. I'm not here to tell no lies. Anyway, so I'll be doing this song that popped up in my head all of a sudden. I had flipped my hair back, my head flipped back, and the song is called Headspring. Oh, okay, let's not go. Anyway, if this goes on my Insta stories, I'll play the song in the background. Since this part might be on YouTube, I can't play it. Yeah, I think this song's called Headsprung. Silliness.